Our vision for digital transformation starts by bringing design and manufacturing together on a single platform. Data is the digital thread that ties it all together and drives this convergence, offering a consistent, connected experience as you move through different disciplines like CAD, CAM, and CAE. This common data experience gives you a complete view of your products and processes. It creates transparency at a global scale, so you have a clear line of sight from the top floor to the shop floor. It offers actionable insights and accelerates innovation across your entire organisation. In this new normal of remote working, the cloud is a critical component for keeping your global teams connected and your business operational. For more than a decade, we've been building a manufacturing cloud platform that empowers a virtual workforce. A cloud platform that connects your people, processes, and entire supply chain. A cloud platform that scales to your needs and enables connection across the entire manufacturing ecosystem. A cloud platform that makes AI-driven automation, generative design, and digital twin technology accessible to everyone. It's a new way of thinking for our industry. It's how next-generation manufacturing will be done.